What's going on, guys? What's going on? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and today I want to talk about the massive collapse of Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Bed Bath & Beyond just took a nosedive. I'm talking about a stock that's pretty much been chopped in half in the last couple of days. And I started thinking about the dynamics of what was going on with this stock, and I really wanted to share a warning about meme stocks to those of you who are watching. This is a dirty market. I feel like there could be some manipulation going on. So get comfortable, buckle up your seatbelt. We're going to get started on the Black Financial Channel right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. That's theblackfinancialchannel.com. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. I'm your friendly neighborhood finance professor. On the Black Financial Channel, we talk about Black wealth and Black economics every day, sometimes as much as 10 times a day, under one condition. The condition is that we are Black first. Black first means we put our community at the top of our priority list. Black first means we educate our kids. Black first means we teach wealth to our families. Black first means we break generational curses. If you agree with this philosophy and it works for you and it makes sense to you, put a hashtag B and the number one in the chat, hashtag B1. So shout out the city that you're from. Let me know what city you guys are coming from. I always like to know what city the viewers are in from, because I got something I want to share with y'all real quick. We're about to start our options income class in a few minutes. But before I get to that, I had to come in and just kind of share a thought or two about this interesting thing that happened with Bed Bath & Beyond stock. I'm telling you, it comes off real weird and real shady to me. And I'm gonna explain why. It's very interesting. Now, give me a yes or no if you know. Trenton and Stefan, did you hear about Bed Bath & Beyond? Bed Bath & Beyond stock basically burned to the ground. Did anybody else see what happened with Bed Bath & Beyond? It's been just a complete calamity. It's been a financial disaster. It's been a complete mess. And if you bought put options on that stock, I congratulate you. If you bought call options on this stock, then I feel sorry for you, because it is an absolute complete mess. So Bed Bath & Beyond, basically, I'm going to show you guys on the chart. And everybody on Instagram, you won't really see the chart, but I'll just describe it to you. Just imagine what a burning building looks like if the burning building were a stock. And that's what happened with Bed Bath & Beyond. So let me share this real quick. The Bed Bath & Beyond stock, let me pull this up on the screen. You can see here Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's go back a month. So this month, Bed Bath & Beyond is traded for as high as 23.08. And that was as recently as August 17th. That was yesterday. 5 days. This is a 5-day trend. Look at this. So about Friday, August 12th, you're trading around 12, 11, 12, 13. And then suddenly, kaboom, August 16th on Tuesday, up, 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 up. And then today, here's what you got after hours. This happened after hours. The stock has started to drop, and then it really collapsed later on today. Now it's trading at about $10.29 per share. $10.29. This is a stock that was traded $23 a couple days ago. Well, ask me in the chat. Say, what happened, Boyce? What happened, Boyce? Or what happened? Just say, what happened, Dr. Boyce? What's going on here? What happened here? Ask me that in the chat. Just ask me. Go ahead and ask me. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you what happened. Okay, here's what happened. Let me read this to you. The activist investor Ryan Cohen completes planned sale of Bed Bath & Beyond stake. Stock falls 30%. The filing shows that Cohen's RC Ventures dumped its stock on Tuesday and Wednesday at a range of prices between $18.68 and $29.22 per share. The firm also sold its call options. Cohen originally purchased shares of Bed Bath & Beyond at an average of roughly $15.34 per share. So I'm going to read this very quickly, because we're going to start class in a little bit, so I got to actually run. But I had to come in and talk to my people about this, because I took a nap with my wife, and my wife's so pretty, and when I lay next to her, I just get smarter. And I said, oh my God, I think something interesting could be happening here, and I really want to talk to my folks about it, because I think this is something you want to look out for if you're messing with these damn meme stocks. Meme stocks, basically, actually, let me give you the definition of a meme stock. You probably know GameStop and AMC and all that. What is the definition of a meme stock? The definition is a meme stock refers to the shares of the company that have gained a cult-like following online through social media platforms. Also, a more scientific definition is these shares move with no news, no information, nothing related to the fundamentals. So the fundamentals don't matter in this world. It's a fantasy world where people get online and say things and they push the stock up. You can't tell me that market isn't being manipulated. I'm not saying Ryan Cohen's doing it. I'm not accusing Ryan Cohen of anything, but you can't tell me that in this market, you remember I'm a financial theorist. I understand how markets operate. You can't tell me that this market is not possibly being manipulated and that there could not be some pump and dumps. And so let me read this to you. Then I'm going to tell you what really made me suspicious about this and why you got to be real careful with stocks like Bed Bath & Beyond. This company is sick. This company is like your coworker who says, I got to go home for a couple of days because I'm not feeling well. And you think they got a cold when really they might be dying of cancer. Right. The HIV is kicking in. Right. They might literally die. So Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm going to just tell you, I'm not telling you to buy the stock or stay away from it. I'm saying that unless you're doing it for a specific reason, I've dabbled in the stock, but I've never bought call options on this stock. I only sold options because the option prices were just so damn high. But I just can't even with good conscience even recommend trying to buy this stock thinking that the price is going to go up. I wouldn't buy the dip in a company like this. So it says the filing shows that Cohen's RC Ventures dumped its stock on Tuesday and Wednesday at a range between $18.68 and $29.22 per share. The shares fell 35% in extended trading. That means after hours, adding to a loss of nearly 20% during Thursday's regular trading session. Cohen, who founded Chewy, is the chairman. He purchased more than 7 million shares and call options on Bed Bath & Beyond earlier this year. The company added blah, 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 blah. He originally purchased shares of Bed Bath & Beyond at $15.34 per share. He made about $59 million before brokerage fees on his trades. Now, here's the other thing that's interesting here. They say shares of Bed Bath & Beyond have rocketed higher this month, fueled in part by retail traders and an apparent revival of the meme stock trading craze. Shares were up almost 200% in August. Bed Bath & Beyond has seen abnormally high trading volume this month, and the stock has become a dominant topic of conversation on Reddit's Wall Street Bets page. The stock has high short interest or bets that it will decline, blah, blah, blah. The retail investor interest has come despite the company's fundamental struggles. Bed Bath & Beyond in June reported that its first quarter net sales were down 25% year over year with a net loss of $358 million. The company has also reported net operating cash flow of $400 million. Bed Bath & Beyond has $108 million in cash. So that is a big deal, down from $1.1 billion a year ago. This means that this company is nearly dead. Being that low in cash is almost like your body having no water in it. You're going to dehydrate and you're going to die. So the only way Bed Bath & Beyond can survive is if somebody comes and injects cash into this company. There's no guarantee that this is going to happen. But here's another interesting thing. So the thing about Ryan Cohen, and I got to find the article on this, but I could have sworn that they said he bought call options on 1.6 million shares of the stock, and that the call options, let me see if I can find it, Ryan Cohen call options. And again, I'm not accusing anybody of anything, but I thought it was really interesting. He bought these call options that expire in January, with strike prices ranging from $60 to $80 a share. Why is that significant to me? Why did that pique up my spidey senses? It piqued up my spidey senses because a big part of the reason that people love Bed Bath & Beyond is because they love Ryan Cohen. So when Ryan Cohen, your fearless leader, has so much confidence in the company and they buy 1.6 million call options that expire at a very high strike price, that means they're showing confidence in this company. It's like your general is charging off to battle, right? I wonder if that I'm not saying that this is what happened. I'm saying that my spidey senses went up because I wonder if that was a head fake. Because what happens, and I want y'all to answer this in the chat. What happens when you have a million retail traders, meme stock, enthusiasts, Wall Street bets guys following Ryan Cohen? And Ryan Cohen just made a big bet on the stock. He bought 1.6 million call options on 1.6 million shares. What do you think that they did? Do you think that that's going to make the price go up? Or you think it's going to make the stock price go down? Or you think it's going to remain the same? What do y'all think? Everybody's watching Ryan Cohen, the guy that they love, make what appears to be a massive bet on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. So what are they going to do? They're going to start buying. They're all going to start buying. And when you start seeing all that buying, the price does what? Up, 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 up. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. What happened to this stock when Ryan Cohen started to buy? Let me see if I can find. Let me pull it back up again. BBBY stock. I'll pull this up. I don't have a ton of time, but I had to really talk about this. This is something you got to watch out for with these meme stock investments. You got to be real careful with this stuff. So let me see here. So you look here. So what happened when Cohen started buying those call options? You saw a big surge in the stock price. Now, this is the 1-day chart. Let me show you the 5-day chart. Look at that. You saw this big surge. And a lot of this surge was driven in part, in my view, by what Cohen was doing, right? So then where does the collapse come in? Well, the collapse comes in because once the stock price shoots up and goes through the roof, Ryan Cohen gets rid of his shares. Now, and again, I'm not saying that this is what they were doing. I'm not saying this at all. I have to really investigate this more and think it through. But think about this. First of all, call options that have a strike price of 60 to 80 don't cost a lot of money. They're very cheap, right? So if you were a person that wanted to push the price up so you could pull the rug out, thank you, Dr. Bingham, pull the rug out, then why not drop a little money to get this price to go up? Right. So I spend, maybe I spend $2 million, but I'm going to make 30 million when the price goes up and I can sell it to all the suckers who are willing to pay $20 to $30 a share for this worthless asset. So again, I'm not saying this is what they're doing. I'm saying that it's not out of the question that this can happen in a market like this, which is why it's very, very risky for you to participate in these meme stocks. I'm not saying don't do it. I'm saying be very careful. I personally, myself, I've even bought meme stocks, but I know what I'm doing. I can take the loss. I understand the market very well. I can read things a little bit better. I have different strategies in my pocket. But unfortunately, there are a lot of people out there who lost a ton of money when Ryan Cohen decided to back away from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I'd love to see somebody really investigate this further. I don't know every single detail about every single thing he did, but I can just tell you that my spidey senses jumped up when I saw why the price went up and why the price went down. And again, it's not out of the realm of our imagination to imagine a scenario where somebody said, hey, I know what we can do. Let's get the price up long enough for us to get rid of our shares, and then the price will collapse. Well, we won't care. So that's what I'm saying. And I'm not saying that this is the case or not, because I don't want to get out here accusing people of stuff if I'm not 100% sure. But I'm saying that it looked awfully fishy to me, and it looks a little bit weird, and I did not like it. I think it was very it makes me sad because a lot of the people who lost money are people who probably can't afford to lose money, who don't really know what's going on. So anyway, guys, that's it. I got to get out of here. We're about to start our options income class. If you still want to join us, you still can. It's an ongoing program now. You can go to drboyceprime.com. That's drboyceprime.com. The whole focus is generating income by selling stock options. So when I invested in Bed Bath & Beyond, I wasn't there hoping that the stock would go up. I wasn't there hoping that that I could buy call options and make money. I was selling options because the prices of those options were so high. So let's see. Dr. Lee says, "What's the link for tonight's meeting?" You should have got the link in the text, but if you haven't, you could text the word options to 31996. Dr. Lee, text options to 31996, and I will send you the link right now via text, just as a quick reminder for class. And that's how we're going to do it every week. But you have to log in order to get the link. But I will text you out the link to the place you can go to log in. All right. So have a good night, everybody. God bless you. Hit the thumbs up button. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Share, subscribe. I'll be back again real soon. Please have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care now. Peace.
Here we are, clan the isms, cataclysm, great. Our people out here struggling, trying to make it in this state. Everybody out here doing it, but we the ones who late. Now family, we the ones who gotta delegate. Get that money in the power, never be fake. Stick to cosign for 3. What did he say? Create jobs, support our own. Educate the same and buy back your home. Got 3 degrees, triple 10. 3 PhDs, now we on the CNN. DBTV, let's talk about negligence. Ignorance is bliss, but we can turn it to intelligence. Believe none of what you hear, half of what you see. Let's break it down here on Dr. Boyce TV. Here we are.